joint polo and equestrian associations in Manipur have raised serious concerns over the rapid decline of the iconic Manipuri pony. They warn that the state's heritage breed faces potential extinction due to illegal trade, theft and slaughter. According to a survey by the Directorate of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry, only 1,059 Manipuri ponies remain. With official records showing over 80 ponies missing recently, associations estimate the actual population has now dropped below 1,000. Speakers revealed that stolen ponies are being illegally transported to Kwakta and slaughtered for meat, publicly naming main individuals involved in the syndicate. The joint bodies criticized local police for inaction, stating that authorities often summon pony owners for statements instead of arresting the culprits. They also highlighted that the government has failed to provide designated grazing grounds despite prior joint surveys, emphasizing that the pony must not be treated as a mere short-term VIP display item during events. The associations urged the state government to enact strict legal protection similar to the Wildlife Protection Act. Moreover, the joint bodies officially resolved to ban all individuals involved in pony theft and trade from participating in any future polo tournaments.
Imphal is passing a jam, why would the Purava, Kokada, and Godin Toba, I know Pasina, charging a jam of Topa, Amazon to start missing a Pontinga, charging a Tatopa. Why the I was in a city reporting a jam when up to Mantuamba, Lambian police station, Nambol police station, Singapore police station, Paipagi, you listen to in a report away, other level of Tivoli. Manipur law and order given the letting police machina my over the water Sinatia, our Itiva, Yamito, yes, Masila Purpada, Evangelist of the Bumble. In Laiba, Kiva Machina, made his Kuso by me, upon the share. Marina in the water, Tisina, a sentical Lovida, but waiting for it of them. When you were nursing the call of us from Hungary.